Huntrix mermaids. It's Rumi the mermaid doll. It's Zoey. Girls, time to wake up.
Huh? Already? Oh, where's my tail?
Don't worry, I'll make one right now.
What do we need for it?
Fluffy fabric.
Wow!
Cutting it with scissors. Fold it in half. I'll sew it by hand. Let's try it on. Now for the top. Oh, I forgot the fin. Grab some wool for felting. Red and blue. Perfect. This will take a little patience. I'll glue the fin to the bottom. Which glitter should I pick? Pink. I love sparkles. I'll add a chain and hang a charm. Rumi loves jewelry. What a fantastic plushy look!
So, bestie, ready to swim to school? Yeah. Oh, wait, there's a test today.
Zoey, to the board, please.
Well...
Looks like Zoey doesn't know the answer.
Rumi, psst, help me, please. Okay, got it. The answer is C. Thanks. What would I do without you?
And that's the right answer. Good job. Take your seat. Zoey got the top score.
Yay! Let's throw a party to celebrate?
Yes, party time.
You're invited to our fluffy cardboard bash.
What should I use to make a couch for the girls? Oh, a sponge. Perfect. I'll cut it in half. Glue the pieces together to make a seat and a backrest. Cover it with fluffy fabric using hot glue. Rumi's half done. Now the cardboard one for Zoey. Almost forgot the armrests. Add some ocean-style decor. And little legs to stand on. I've got the pillows ready. These ones are cardboard. And those are fluffy. This couch is gonna be a hit with both Zoey and Rumi. What's a party without snacks and drinks? Like this setup? Then hit that subscribe button.
Everything's ready for the party. Thanks a bunch.
And here come the classmates. That looks so yummy.
Lemonade.
Rumi, want some ice cream? Your favorite flavor?
Thanks. Zoey, what do you have? It's a strawberry shake.
It's so cozy here. Want to watch something?
Yes, great idea.
But there's nowhere to put the phone. I've got an idea. Let's make a C-style phone stand. I'll glue a flat stone to the bottom. A cardboard piece will hold it up from the back. Decorate with white pebbles. Oh, I'm out of seaweed. But hey, I got this. Pasta! Perfect for decoration. I'll glue it to the stones. Now let's paint them. Look at those bright corals. Okay, eyes on the screen.
Wow, it's our favorite channel. A brand new episode. Rumi, turn it up. 1 second. Oops, we need new looks.
I see. Missing tails. I'll need tape and chenille wire. Let's wrap the doll's legs. Now they need some sparkle. Rumi, you're first.
Where's my fin?
Just attaching it. A fluffy peplum and a lucky charm. I'll swap the old top for a new one. And a bracelet for the wrist.
I love it. How's Zoey doing?
Her turn. I've already prepared the templates. Cutting out the fins. Perfect. I'll use a hole punch to make little cardboard circles. Exactly what I need. Let's glue them onto the tail. The more the merrier. Add some scales.
Can I have a peplum like Rumi's?
Of course. Let's see. Scissors. I'll fold the paper accordion style. Add it to the outfit. Fix the ribbon on both sides. And of course, accessories.
Are we ready? Not yet, we need makeup. Let's go. Wow.
I'll put on glitter and bright eyeshadow for Rumi.
Oh, we forgot earrings.
Pick the ones you like best.
I want these ones.
You've definitely got great taste.
Rumi, look, I picked jellyfish earrings.
Wow.
Well, do they look good on me? Oh, Mira's calling.
Hey girl, how are you? We've got a concert in a minute. Where are you?
On our way. Hurry or we'll be late.
The concert's canceled. Nothing's ready.
Oh no, what do we do?
Don't panic, we'll fix it fast.
But we don't even have a stage.
Mira's right, don't worry. I'll handle this. I need cardboard and satin ribbon. Cut it into perfect squares. Use hot glue to stick them to the base. Great! Let's pull the threads loose. Soft and fluffy. The bottom part will be cardboard. Decorate it with ocean prints. And of course, the logo.
Yeah! Girls, take the stage!
Look, twin dolls. Which paint to choose? Pink. I'll recolor their hair. Use a fine brush to change her eye color. Something's missing. I know. I'll grab some fabric. Time for scissors. Stitching them by hand. Dressing up the dolls. Folding glitter foam paper in half. Drawing a fin shape. Snipping it out. Did yours turn out like mine? What's in here? Decorative seashells. I'll use them as tops. Tying satin ribbon bows. Emily and Amanda are ready for the underwater world. Here are your girls.
Thanks!
It's your birthday today. Congratulations. I've got presents for you. Go ahead and open them.
Did you hear that? Awesome!
Amanda got a robot, and Emily a doll. Something's off here. Oops, I mixed them up, sorry. Just gotta switch them. That's more like it. The girls are thrilled. Now make a wish and blow out the candles. Emily and Amanda want to do it together.
Let's do it on the count of 3.
Okay!
Just don't say it out loud or it won't come true.
Yum, so tasty.
Oops, the girls got a bit messy. Time for a bath. What's in this box? Craft supplies for bathtubs. Grabbing an old toy. Adding cardboard to the bottom. Tinting the base purple. Masking tape next. Covering the inside. Painting the rim with glittery acrylic. Adding seashells. Decorating with rhinestones. Pulling out a purple straw. Bending the end. Securing the stand. Bathtubs are ready for Emily and Amanda. Special delivery from the sea. Your order is here. Just what we needed. The girls can't wait to splash around. Filling the tubs with warm water. Adding some soap solution. Let's make bubbles with the straw. You're doing great. Now it's bath time. I'm getting dizzy. Emily, Amanda, hop in. The pink tub is for my sweetie. And the purple one for my rock star. Amanda's got so many toys. Such pretty dolls. But Emily's got nothing. Looks like I need to step in. Sweetheart, would you share with your sister?
Yeah!
Of course. Emily, which one do you want? This one.
Playing together is always more fun. You two are the sweetest. I love you girls. Time for their teen looks. A DIY doll kit. Taking out the doll. Grabbing some paint. Starting with white. Painting the eyes. I'll also need magenta, pale pink, black, and a light shade. Coloring the lips. Defining the brows. Now let's style her hair. Curling a strand. Smoothing it out. Time for fabric. Of course, pink. Measuring the doll. Marking the outline with a marker. Cutting with scissors. Prepping both pieces. Stitching them together. Dressing Amanda. making a top with the 3D pen. Sewing on fabric fins.
Necklace time.
This little mermaid is adorable. Now how's Emily doing? They both look amazing.
Emily, look!
Huh?
A claw machine! That teddy is so cute! I have to win it!
Wish her luck. Gotta grab it just right. Pull it up.
Aw, I missed it!
Don't worry. Want me to try? Yay! That pink teddy bear, right?
Yeah,
I'll get it for you. Hold up,
Hey.
professional. You're missing something.
Thanks.
Now let's go. Will Emily get it? Almost. Here's your prize.
You're the best!
Friends like these are the real prize. Amanda is obsessed with her new teddy.
Glad you like it, sis.
Girls, isn't it time for school? Buying 2 packs of Tic Tacs ahead of time. Opening the lids. Not using the candy. Picking pink and purple gel polishes. Painting the surface. Curing under UV light. Both bases are ready. Adding a foam paper pocket. Decorating one with spikes. The other with rhinestones. Perfect finishing touch. The girls have arrived. Emily, here's your backpack.
Oh my God.
It's gorgeous!
Did Amanda think we forgot about her? Here's yours, sweetheart.
Woohoo!
High five! Let's swim to class! Hurry, that's the bell!
The girls spot their classmate.
Hey, Lizzie, what's wrong? My makeup looks awful today! Don't worry, want us to help?
Yes!
Please?
Amanda always has makeup on hand. And with 4 hands, it's even easier.
Wow, I look amazing!
That's Drake, the girl's classmate. He asked Lizzie to do homework together. They look cute together. Hope the girls didn't forget, prom's coming soon. Picking the brightest coral. Snipping off one branch and another. These will look amazing. Prepping hot glue. Gluing coral pieces on top. Grabbing gold paint. Color everything evenly. Pouring out some acrylic varnish. I'll add some glitter to it. Mix it thoroughly. Covering the crown in sparkles. But who will wear it? We'll find out soon.
Emily,
Oh my God.
look how pretty it is!
The girls admire the prom queen crown. Amanda dreams of wearing it one day.
It's my biggest wish. I'm so nervous.
Don't worry, you'll get it. I know you will.
Hello.
Is it time for the big announcement? All eyes are on the stage. Oh, such suspense. The results are in the host's envelope. And the winner is Emily? Oh, what a surprise! What? I can't believe it! Thank you so much for voting for me. But this crown, I'm giving it to Amanda.
What?
That's so sweet!
Thank you.
It suits you more anyway. It's not about winning, it's about friendship. The girls will always remember this moment. Taking holographic stretch fabric, tracing Emily's body with a marker, cutting out the pattern, dressing her up, moving on to the fins, sketching a shape with a pencil, cutting out the template, decorating the fins with sequin ribbon, adding bright flat back pearls, adding some purple tulle, applying glue to keep the details in place, finishing the look with a belt, styling her hair with a trendy bow. Emily looks absolutely stunning.
Hello.
Here's Amanda. High five.
Wow.
Amanda spotted a dress.
Nice.
She needs to try it on.
I hope it's my size. Be right back.
Emily's ready to give her honest fashion feedback. Time is ticking so slowly. Emily is getting impatient.
Come on.
Okay, what do you think?
Emily loves it. That dress looks amazing.
Maybe you should try something too.
Let me look around. Emily swims over to the coolest outfits in the store. Will it be the one? Clothes are flying out of the changing room. Do I look like a rock star?
That's totally you.
Amanda has an idea to complete her sister's look. The tiara from her sister. It's the perfect match. And Emily picks out some stylish sunglasses for Amanda. Where are they headed next? Kitchen. I will lay out all the materials, swapping out the tube lid for a nozzle. Filling the mold with cream. Time to decorate. Fruit toppings work great. I'll need some sparkle. Now I'm writing a little card. Sticking it onto a toothpick. Today's Mother's Day. Popping them in the oven. Just gotta wait a bit. Time's up.
Yes.
Let's take them out. Careful. Watch it. Better let me do it. Here you go, girls.
Nice.
Thanks. Today is a special day. It's his favorite holiday. Time to decorate the room and hang up all the posters. Great job, mermaids. Oh, someone's at the door. It smells so good in here. Aw, girls, it's beautiful. You even baked cupcakes? Thank you. You girls are amazing. I love you so much. Let the celebration begin. Let's wish the dolls a sweet meal. Oh, a washing machine. Just what I need. Sometimes the ocean needs our help. I'll grab some netting. Cutting it with scissors. Rolling it up. Prepping some printouts. Trimming off the edges. Decorating the rim with ribbon. Bought some wooden skewers ahead of time. Painting them pink. Attaching the net. The cleanup net and basket are ready to go. The mermaids spotted a lot of trash.
We have to do something about this.
It's dangerous for sea life. We won't let this slide. Can you help us out?
Please?
Here are your cleanup nets. And toss the trash in here. Like this. Got it. All the bottles and cans. Off to where they belong. Perfect. The girls still have a lot of work ahead. Aha, there's more here.
Whew.
Hooray, you did it! The ocean is cleaner. Great job.
High five, Emily.
Yay.
We did it.
Huh?
Look over there.
Fish are swimming back to the reef.
Hey.
New mermaids are arriving in the clean sea.
Hi.
And not just mermaids.
Emily, Amanda, thank you for caring.
These girls are amazing. They know how to make the world a better place.